How to use lip sync in CapCut. Let's get into it. First, open up CapCut and import the image that you want to use. Then, with the image selected, come up to the Videos panel and scroll down until you see Lip Sync. What we need to do is enable lip sync and then type in the text that we want this image to say. We then need to come down and choose from one of the voices. You can click more voices to choose from a different selection. I'm going to go with this one.
Don't forget to subscribe if you found this helpful.
I'm going to click OK and then scroll down until we see Model. Here we have two options. We have Standard, which gives you your original aspect ratio and generates it faster, or we have Vivid, which gives more vivid facial expressions with a 1:1 aspect ratio and generates slower. I'm just going to stick with Standard for this tutorial and then click on Generate. CapCut is then going to take a moment to generate this lip sync for you. Now if we play this back,
don't forget to subscribe if you found this helpful.
and that's all there is to it.